Gutters must be sized and detailed to handle rapid roof snowmelt to prevent overflow and ice dam damage. For roof snowmelt gutter sizing, use a practical thumb rule that starts by matching gutter capacity to expected melt rates rather than just rainfall figures. In heavy snow regions, assume concentrated melt from a full roof section can equal an intense rain burst, so plan for a gutter with a capacity comparable to at least a ½ inch to 1 inch per hour equivalent over the tributary roof. Area. One clear action is to use 6-inch or larger K-style or box gutters on main roof runs where heavy snowpack and rapid melt are expected because they carry more volume and resist clogging from melt debris. Size downspouts to match, doubling or tripling the number of downspouts so that each handles a smaller portion of runoff. A good rule is 1 downspout for every 30 to 40 linear feet of roof in heavy melt zones and smaller spacing on steep roofs. Add dedicated melt channels or active heated gutter elements along problem roof edges where heat transfer from attic or roof de-icing cables is practical, because these channels guide water to scuppers or downspouts even when freeze-thaw cycles occur. Finally, slope gutters at a minimum of 1/4 inch per 10 feet toward downspouts, and ensure connectors and outlets are full size so water flows freely without creating constrictions that trap slush. Common mistakes include underestimating peak melt rates, which leads to undersized gutters. Correct this by planning capacity for rapid melt events and choosing 6-inch or larger gutters in heavy snow areas. A second error is undersized or too few downspouts, causing backup and overflow. The fix is to increase downspout diameter and add more outlets spaced closer together so each carries less volume. Third is failing to provide overflow paths and scuppers on long runs or roof sections. Add overflow scuppers, roof edge channels, or secondary drains so excess water has a controlled escape rather than spilling onto facades or freezing at pedestrian levels. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like gutter sizing and snowmelt management, helping us find local contractors who can quote and install the right systems. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share experience, details, and practical tips so our members learn which approaches work best in their climate.